most useful feature, I think, is it's hands down gathering all that information. The ease of finding a piece of equipment that wasn't added and being able to take an iPad, take a picture of it, put in the information, put it on, validate it, put it on the map, get it installed into the room, whatever it might be. That is really easy for me. For my staff, it's the actual service portal. It's the work completion, the work order completion. That whole process is so much easier for them now. They don't have to do math. They don't have to. It just does it for them, and they actually can see that I'm getting emails stating that they've completed a work order, which puts a lot of pride back on them. So it's really nice.